Hello, my design friend. Welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, and today I want to share with you a new technique that I learned in Illustrator. I'm going to share with you how I recolored some artwork for a repeat pattern. Here are the icons that I will be using for my repeat pattern for a brand concept that I'm working on. The goal for me is to have enough variety in my repeat pattern to fill it out. So I'm going to use the technique of recoloring my artwork to make another set of icons. And this will give me a variety of colors to choose from in my vectors. I'm going to start by making a second set of icons, and I will be doing this by selecting Alt or Option Drag, depending on if you have a Mac or Windows. Mac will be Option, Windows will be Alt. I will save the colors that I'm using in the artwork in the swatches panel. I'm going to delete all the colors that I don't want from the panel. I'll do this by clicking this one and the last color here. And then I'll hit the trash can icon and that deletes the colors. To make a new color group, I'm going to select all of the art of the icons. I'm going to click the new color group icon in the swatches panel, click selected artwork, and then check convert process to global and include swatches for tints. So check both of those boxes and then click OK. Looking at these icons, I want another set of icons that are the same color as these icons, but it has a different color arrangement. The first thing that we're going to do to prepare ourselves for changing the colors of this artwork is we're going to select over the artwork. So select all over this set of icons, and I am going to go to Properties here. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to hit this Recolor Artwork option. It's going to bring up this recolor panel. I want to go to advanced options, so I'll click on advanced recolor options, and it's going to bring me to this panel. If you have this panel showing the color groups within the recolor artwork panel, to hide this, you can hit the disclosure triangle to hide the color group storage, and it will hide it, and you'll just have this view. I want to explain a little bit about the recoloring artwork panel. We're going to be using these tools down here. We're going to be working with the current colors, all 15 of them, and we'll also be customizing colors, and this controls how many colors will appear in the recolored artwork. So we'll start by clicking all, and the buttons that we'll be using to randomly change the color order is going to be this one right here. It has the 3 little boxes and then that one arrow underneath it. You'll see when you click on this, it will randomly change the color order. Here randomly changes saturation and brightness. I don't want to change any of the saturation and brightness. This middle icon here with the cross arrows and the 3 boxes, the three boxes with the 2 cross arrows underneath, I'm gonna not use this one. But if you want to use it for your artwork, that's totally fine, up to you, your preference. This third one here with the 3 boxes and the magnifying glass, this helps me to click on the colors above to find them in the artwork. So for some reason I am working with this leaf here and I don't know what color belongs to what from the current colors view, then I will click on it and it'll show, select a color and it'll show me which icons have that color. So that's very helpful. To your left, you're going to check the box recolor art, and that's going to allow us to recolor the art. We have to do some pre-planning with the artwork because Illustrator does not know what colors to change in and change out. There's so many colors, so it's going to be cycling through the colors as you randomly change the color order because it doesn't know which color you want. To control what colors we're going to change, we're going to change the colors on this right side here from auto to all. Illustrator is very intelligent. However, it cannot choose what it thinks you want. You have to tell it what you want. So we're going to have to do some pre-planning here with the colors. So I'm going to take a look at the colors to the right and my current colors, looking at all 15 of them. I'm seeing what colors match with the icon colors. And I know for a fact that I don't want this salmon pink color to change. So in order to protect it from changing, I'm going to change this arrow to a dash. And the same goes with any other color I don't want to change. I know that I don't want this color to change. This color is within this leaf. I don't want that to change. So I'm going to change that from an arrow to a dash. The black and the white will never change. So it'll stay a dash. So you don't have to worry about the white changing or the black. But all of the other colors that have arrows, those will change. So let's take a look at how that looks. As you can see, those colors don't change. All the other colors are changing except for those two. And that's how you tell Illustrator what to do with your color combinations. Because this is a new technique that I'm learning, I wasn't exactly sure what colors I wanted to change. So you'll see that I allowed myself to have some trial and error through this process. I didn't know what color combinations were going to be the best. But as I am cycling through the colors and getting used to the color combos and the way that they're changing, then that's when I start to make better selections with what colors I'm going to protect. And you'll actually see that throughout the process. So just trust the process, kind of work through it, learn through it. You know, this is all a learning opportunity. And that's what I did. I just kind of like experimented with the colors until I finally got the colors that I wanted. And you'll see that. You'll see that as I'm working through this with you. So if you want to follow along, let's get started. I'm going to randomly change the colors and see what I like. If you are following along while you recolor, try it with me, or you can just watch and see my trial and errors for the colors. Out of all of my color selections, these are the colors that I decided I liked best. And I think I narrowed it down even more, and you will see that over here. This is what I chose. So I have a different boss. This is in the lighter teal. This pink salmon, or this lighter pink vase, I turned that into more of a forest dark green. I also took the lighter philodendron, the lighter green philodendron, and I used that one. And then this one I also recolored. And this is a lighter version of this color. Okay, and that pretty much wraps up what I've learned. I'm still pretty new to it, but I just wanted to share it with you. It's a technique that I think is very useful. I didn't even know that this was possible in Illustrator. I'm going to continue to keep learning and to master recoloring my artwork, and I will keep sharing the tools as I learn them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.